Okay, so I've been having stomach issues, skin issues, and so these are some things I'm using to help with those. So potatoes, they're full of vitamins and nutrients, and you can actually use potatoes to put on your face and rub on your face to exfoliate your dead skin cells, and it also has lightening agent, so you can use it to lighten dark spots and uneven skin tone. It has other benefits also, but those are just the main reasons why I got the potatoes, was to rub on my skin, and among other things, to boil potatoes, or baked potatoes, and put some sour cream on it, because sour cream has milk, cultures in it, cultures in it, so it helps with exfoliation too, like dissolving dead skin cells and different things. So yeah, it has a lot of different benefits. So, and that's organic. Okay, I don't really have to have organic, but that's what I got. I have organic baby spinach I can put on my smoothies, and I can put in my salads, because I'm trying to eat clean so that I can fix my stomach issues and help with losing my belly fat, to clean my system, not sure it cleans your blood, vegetables and stuff, but I'm sure it purifies your blood, helps with digestion, among other things. Just for right now, what I got it for was to put in smoothies, because it's full of vitamins and vitamin E. Yeah, and vitamin C, I believe. Let's see. Baby spinach. Doesn't even say nutritional value. But yeah. So I'm telling you what vitamins it has. Okay, so we have organic kale. Okay, I'm trying to eat clean. I have a magic bullet. So I'm going to be putting some of these things in the blender, but I'm going to put like strawberries and mangoes and pineapple chunks. So I have, okay, that's that. Okay, so that's kale, spinach, lettuce, organic again. Doesn't have to be organic, but that's what I got. So sometimes I'm not paying attention and check out. Okay, so I don't know if this is not organic, I don't think. Oh no, it is organic. Everything is organic, so maybe I'll just start with organic. Work my way over there sometimes, so non-organic. Okay, so I have celery to put in my smoothies. Again, these fruits and vegetables have agents that help with digestion and fiber. This, I'm not sure what properties celery have, but I know every fruit and vegetable has a lot of value. So, okay, so you have potatoes, you have romaine lettuce, baby spinach, I have some kale, and then I have celery. So those are my greens for now. I will be, and my vegetables, I will be starting with this. This is just an idea of what I just purchased. See, and I got a lot of stuff, trying to eat clean, because I'm having a lot of stomach issues, digestion issues, to where my stomach gets inflamed all the time. I was stampeded in 2018. I got a lot of inflammation all over my body. I was in and out of physical therapy. I have whiplash. I have pain in my arms, my legs, my this, my that, my every single body part. My neck would get swollen up. I can't really sit up past 15-20 minutes, because my back will start hurting, and then my neck will start hurting, and I could get whiplash, or I'll get inflammation in my neck. I've been for having whiplash. I've had times where my body just stiffens up and I can't walk. I've had times where my body hurts so much, and I could be walking down a block to one or two blocks, just going on near where I live at, and by a block or two, I would have to be dragging my legs, and I'm like having all these health issues. So I'm trying to help with these issues so that I can get better. And I barely eat once a day because I get a lot of pains in my stomach. So since it's stampede, I've been getting inflammation everywhere, and I guess it's time for my stomach to get inflammation, because I'm just such a lucky girl. Mind you, I was in and out of hospital for the last 2 years for the same issue. Just recently, I was back in the hospital 2 years later from the date that I was in the hospital 2 years ago for the same issue. So I'm just trying to clean my system and get things going, fix my gut health, and eat healthy and clean. So I haven't been eating meat. My body has been rejecting it. So day by day, every time I eat rice and chicken, I'll just eat the rice and throw the chicken in the fridge, to eat this and throw this in the fridge. Then next thing you know, it's like 5 or 10 of them in the fridge. Well, it's just meat, So my body's been rejecting meat, so that's good. Because meat, can't really think right now, but it's a lot of issues with that in your body. Oh yeah, your pineal gland, I believe is more calcified if you are not eating meat. So it's better to not eat meat so that you can be able to learn more and download more information from the sun. But I guess I saw Young Pharaoh saying that earlier, so I'm gonna look into that more. So now I have organic pineapples. We put that in smoothies. That's vitamin C, and a lot of these vegetables have vitamin C in them. Vitamin D, vitamin A. I'm not exactly sure which ones, but I'll put it together in another whole video and a list of all of the vitamin nutrition benefits and what vitamins each thing has, so that you guys can be better able to make a plan for yourself. And like I said, I was getting a lot of issues. See, I've been not eating my food, takeout, Popeyes. My body doesn't want it. Another Popeyes, old Popeyes chicken or meat or beef or something like that. I'm just wasting it day by day. I'm just wasting food, meat. My body doesn't want this stuff. And then at times I can eat. I'm having issues with my health, so it's really a lot at times. Burger, I forgot to eat. Fillet of fish. Because, yeah, my body hasn't been focused on certain things like that. But, yeah, I get pain, so I can't really eat the whole thing. If I have a sandwich, I have to eat half of it for now, and then hopefully I don't get bloated and hurt and pain. So, yeah, it's a lot. And I also eat mushrooms, baby bella mushrooms, with a lot of stuff, with like my stir fries, and just eating them in anything. I love the rice and stuff like that. But it's good to just eat them regular. So yeah, my body hasn't been wanting this stuff. See, for tries, I have to clean out all of this crap because my body has not been wanting this stuff. See the meat again? My body's been rejecting it, so I'm glad it's kind of been rejecting on its own. So then we have all these foods that I have to throw out because my body doesn't want these things. So if your body's telling you certain things, rejecting something, you gotta try to listen to your body. This is Chinese food. I ate some of it, but like I said, I was getting stomach issues. So yeah, I started drinking milk. Actually, milk is good to rub on your skin, wipe on your skin. It helps to combat. It is a natural lightening agent in milk, and it has certain vitamins in it. Of course, vitamin D, different things. But milk is good to drink for digestion. You have digestion issues, milk, bananas help with digestion, stomach issues also, because I was trying to find natural things. But yeah, my body hasn't been wanting these things So then, yeah, you see, this is steak. I'm gonna have to eat this steak before it wastes, because like I said, my body doesn't want these things, so I haven't been eating them. And at times, I can't eat them because I'm in pain. So I guess it's good, because then I could throw them away now and just order less of them. So yeah, it's going to show you your body knows how to help itself more than you do. So yeah, I'll get feelings that I can't eat. Let me stay tuned for part 2.